Hey everyone, today we're going to be using a bead spinner, but we're not going to be using the wood one. We're actually going to be using an electric bead spinner. We're going to be using two types of beads today. We first have our seed beads. We're going to go ahead and thread the string through the eye of the needle right there. And then I like tilting my bead spinner at a little angle, and then you have to make sure your hook's at a little angle as well. It just makes it easier for me, and you can see those beads seriously fly onto that needle. Once we get a decent amount collected on the needle, I like kind of scooting it down and holding the rest with my hands. But then after we got a decent amount, we're going to scoot it onto that string, and we're going to measure it. All our bracelets we ever make are always 6.5 inches. Then after we tie it off, we have this cute little bracelet. Moving on to our clay beads, I'm just going to take the extra seed beads and put it in a bag and then put it aside. Next, we're going to take our clay beads, and I'm going to borrow the beads that we have in the wooden bead spinner and bring them into the electric bead spinner. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. We have our string on our needle, and we're going to hang it at a little angle again. It helps the beads seriously catch on so fast. And again, you want to make sure you have a decent amount of beads in. If you don't, it's just going to take a little longer to actually make the bracelet. After we got the sides I like, I'm going to measure it again, and it's not 6.5, but what I'm actually going to be doing with this one is adding pearls and a turtle shell to it. My favorite pattern to use is big pearl, small pearl, the turtle, and again, small pearl, big pearl, and then the clay beads. We're going to measure it, and it's 6.5 inches, so we're going to go ahead and tie it, and look at the cute set we just made. I have 3 different bead spinners, and let me know if you guys want to see a video judging on what one's the best. Love you guys, bye!